guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a demo of all of the ColourPop eyeshadows I got recently. So let me just kind of show you. This is actually a swatch on my arm. If you're wondering what colors I am wearing in my eyes, just look at that. Look at that. Pull you close. Isn't it just delicious? It's delicious. I am wearing Dare. Let me just kind of swatch this real quick. Dare has a pink glitter in it. So it's a purple with a pink glitter, which is a beautiful. I am wearing Ripple, which this is like a lighter shade, but look at this. It has a blue glitter. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. I'm wearing Ripple in the inner corner. Tassel. Look at that. That doesn't even show on camera. That's how white this is. This is the very, very like corner of my eye. This is a white, right? But it is like pure white with a white glitter. And I'm actually using that as my highlight, if you can see. Can you guys see that? Set to Stun. So this looks like a rose gold, which is a beautiful rose gold with pink glitter in it. These obviously are the Super Shock eyeshadows. They went on sale. You get 2 for $5. So I always wait for their BOGO sale or their 50% off sale. Then I go buy a ton of them. This here is Twitter Padded. And I love this. Maybe it's harder to see on, there we go. Look at this. It's a pink. It's a beautiful pink with gold glitter. Look at that. Reminds me of, what is that? That fairy who flies that has blonde hair. Twinkle something. You guys know what I'm talking about from Peter Pan. That's what that reminds me of. So this is in the color Brandy. I've never gotten their matte shadows before, but look at how beautiful that color is. This has more of a rosy undertone. In my crease, I'm wearing Bill because I have all purple today. What a name, right? Bill. And Bill, to me, has more of a purpley, like brownish undertone. You see what I'm talking about there? That's Bill. I got here is Goodbye Butterfly. So Goodbye Butterfly, if you can see, can you see that? It's like a, you know what, Goodbye Butterfly really doesn't show up on camera very well. It looks just like this on the skin, but it has more of like a metallic look to it. There we go. There's better lighting right there. For me to put everything on with my fingers and it come out this nice is flippin' insane. Okay, insane, girls. Like, I don't put things on with my fingers. I have 1,000,001 brushes here, and this turned out, oh, well, you know what? My bad. I just darkened it with an eyeshadow brush in the corner. My bad. But the majority of my eyeshadow, all of this, is just patted on and moved with my fingers. Now, ColourPop does recommend you using your fingers. They say you can use a brush, but it doesn't pick up as well on a brush as it does like your fingers. But look at this. I mean, we're swatching onto the hand, and can you just see these gorgeous colors? These are my new favorite colors. Actually, these are all of them are my new favorite colors. Anyways, ColourPop, I will put it down in the link down below. Their website address. Hopefully it pops up that you guys can click on it and go to their website. This is not a sponsored video. I just think that they're such a good quality product. They're so flexible and like they're almost like a putty, but then again at the same time they're like a velvet. I don't know, it's really hard to explain. Once you actually purchase one ColourPop color, you will be blown out of the water and you will be like hooked, like I have been. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that little tiny subscribe button down there. And the little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out.